Lesson: Legal implications of AI bias. Artificial intelligence systems have become integral to various sectors, ranging from finance and healthcare to criminal justice and beyond. However, a significant challenge accompanying the deployment of these systems is AI bias, which can lead to discriminatory outcomes and reinforce existing inequalities. Legal implications of AI bias are critical considerations for professionals working in AI ethics and governance, as they pertain to compliance with anti-discrimination laws, privacy regulations, and broader ethical mandates. Addressing these implications requires a comprehensive understanding of the legal landscape, practical tools, and frameworks that can guide the ethical development and deployment of AI systems. AI bias arises when algorithms produce prejudiced results due to prejudices present in the data they are trained on or the way the algorithms are designed. These biases can lead to legal ramifications, particularly when they result in discriminatory practices. For example, the use of biased AI in recruitment processes can violate employment laws, such as the Civil Rights Act of 1964 in the United States, which prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. Similarly, the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union includes provisions against automated decision-making that could result in discrimination, thus mandating transparency and accountability. To address these legal implications, professionals must first identify instances of bias within AI systems. One practical tool for this purpose is the Fairness, Accountability, and Transparency Framework, which provides a structured approach for evaluating AI systems. The FAT framework emphasizes the need for transparency in AI decision-making processes, accountability for outcomes, and fairness in treatment of all affected individuals. By applying this framework, organizations can assess whether their AI systems comply with legal and ethical standards and make necessary adjustments to mitigate bias. A notable case illustrating the legal consequences of AI bias is the compass recidivism algorithm used in the criminal justice system. Studies have shown that compass disproportionately categorized African American defendants as higher risk compared to white defendants, raising concerns about racial bias and discrimination. This case highlighted the importance of rigorous testing and validation of AI systems to ensure they do not perpetuate existing biases, thereby violating anti-discrimination laws. Organizations can employ tools such as fairness audits and bias detection software to evaluate their AI systems and ensure compliance with legal standards. Another practical tool for mitigating AI bias is the use of diverse datasets. AI systems trained on homogeneous data are more likely to exhibit biased behavior. By incorporating diverse datasets that accurately represent the population, organizations can reduce the likelihood of biased outcomes. This approach aligns with legal requirements for equal treatment and non-discrimination, as it ensures that AI systems do not favor one group over another. For example, a study on facial recognition technology revealed that systems trained on datasets with diverse racial and gender representation had significantly lower error rates across different demographic groups. Furthermore, organizations must implement robust governance structures to oversee the ethical deployment of AI systems. The human-in-the-loop approach, which involves human oversight in AI decision-making processes, can help mitigate bias and ensure compliance with legal standards. By incorporating human judgment, organizations can identify and rectify biased outcomes before they lead to discriminatory practices. This approach not only addresses legal implications, but also enhances the overall trustworthiness and reliability of AI systems. In addition to these practical tools and frameworks, professionals must stay informed about the evolving legal landscape surrounding AI bias. This involves monitoring changes in legislation and regulatory guidelines that pertain to AI ethics and governance. For instance, the European Commission's proposed regulations on AI, known as the Artificial Intelligence Act, aim to establish a uniform legal framework for AI development and deployment, with specific provisions addressing bias and discrimination. By keeping abreast of such developments, professionals can ensure that their organizations remain compliant with legal standards and proactively address potential biases in AI systems. Case studies of organizations that have successfully addressed AI bias provide valuable insights into effective strategies for mitigating legal risks. For instance, a leading technology company implemented a comprehensive bias assessment program for its AI products, which included regular audits, diverse data sampling, and employee training on ethical AI development. As a result, the company not only mitigated legal risks but also enhanced the performance and reputation of its AI systems. Such examples demonstrate the effectiveness of proactive measures in addressing AI bias and highlight the importance of integrating ethical considerations into the development lifecycle of AI systems. In conclusion, the legal implications of AI bias are significant and multifaceted, encompassing compliance with anti-discrimination laws, privacy regulations, and ethical mandates. Addressing these implications requires a comprehensive approach that includes practical tools, frameworks, and strategies for mitigating bias in AI systems. By applying frameworks such as FAT, using diverse datasets, implementing human oversight, and staying informed about legal developments, professionals can effectively navigate the complex landscape of AI ethics and governance. Ultimately, these efforts not only ensure compliance with legal standards, but also contribute to the development of fair, transparent, and accountable AI systems that benefit society as a whole.